Hi, my name's Pete, and I'm here today to talk to you about the New York Standard U-Lock. The New York Standard U-Lock is rated a 9 out of 10 on our security scale. This form of ultimate security is great for major metropolitan areas, as well as riding around college campuses. This U-Lock comes with a double deadbolt design, which means that it locks on both ends of the shackle. Also included are 3 stainless steel keys, one with an LED light, and make sure to register those keys with us. In the event that you lose them, we can send you 2 free replacements. Also included with this lock is a sliding dust cover, which helps keep dirt and debris out of your cylinder, and a Transit Flex Frame U-bracket. This bracket can be attached to the frame of your bicycle and makes transporting the lock very simple. This lock comes with Kryptonite's lifetime warranty. It has a 16mm hardened steel shackle, and the interior locking dimensions are 4 inches by 8 inches. The New York Standard U-Lock, ultimate security, great for city riding, and also available in a long shackle model.
Hey, I'm Daryl from Kryptonite. Today I'd like to talk to you about properly locking your bike with a U-Lock. A few things to remember before we get started. First, always lock in a well-lit area. No dark alleys. Second, always lock to a stationary object that cannot be cut and that you cannot easily remove the bike from. Third, always lock according to value. First, your number 1 priority is your frame, second is your rear wheel, and third is your front wheel. Now let's do this. So first you take your shackle and you come around and capture the frame and the rear wheel and just connect the crossbar. What you want to remember is you want to take up as much usable space here in the shackle as possible so a thief cannot get a tool in there. You also want to make sure the lock is elevated up off the ground with the keyway facing down. Today I'd like to also show you a few more ways to get added security that will include your front wheel. One of the ways is using a double loop cable. What you want to do is run the cable around your front wheel, securing it with the shackle of the U-Lock. This gives you additional protection, but remember, a cable is just a secondary deterrent. It is never to be used in place of a U-Lock, and always make sure that the U-Lock is what's locking to the immovable object. Another option for adding additional security or lockup is to use a mini chain on your front wheel. All you want to do here is make sure that you're locking your frame to the front wheel. Another popular option is for folks that carry a second U-Lock. Again, all you want to do here is lock the frame to the front wheel. So let's recap. Remember, always lock in a well-lit area. Always lock to a stationary object that can't be cut and that you can't lift the bike up and over. And always lock according to value. First priority is the frame, then the rear wheel, then the front wheel. And remember, when you're locking the bike, always keep the lock up off the ground with the keyway facing down.